In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create second Facebook profile with the same email. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app and then just tap right here to go to menu. Here at menu, we can see our current Facebook profile, and down below, if you see this option, create new profile or page, you can tap right here to head over to the next step. However, if you don't see this option here, you need to tap at that arrow. Here in this pop-up, you will see all your Facebook and Instagram profiles associated with that particular Meta account center. Here I got just one profile, and by tapping at Create Facebook Profile, we can create new one. I'm just going to tap right here. Then we can choose if we would like to create personal profile or public page. I'm going to select personal and then hit next. After that, we need to enter our profile name. I'm just gonna enter test here and then hit add continue. Now on the next step, we can upload here our profile picture and this background photo. To that, just tap add camera. After that, we can hit add more to head over to our camera roll, and from here let's just choose a picture. I'm gonna choose that one just to demonstrate how it works, guys. Also, we can crop it in that way, then hit next. We can also create here a background photo, but I'm gonna skip this step for now. Here also we can create a username. By default, it is set to my profile name dot and some random digits here. However, we can change it. Just keep in mind that your username has to be unique. You can remove current one and then just enter new one. If you got this error, if it says here username is not available, it means that probably it is already taken by someone. So then you can try another one or just add here some random numbers or characters. Once it is done, just hit add continue. And on the next step, hit add create profile. Your new profile is being created, it says here. Then we just need to wait for a couple of seconds, and after that we'll be taken to our profile that we have just created. It says here switch to test. Here we can finish our profile setup by going through all the steps. However, I can just close it for now, and as you can see, we are already taken to our Facebook profile that we have just created. Here we can continue by tapping right here, setting up our profile. And also, once your profile is created, you will be able to tap right here at the very top to switch between your profiles, because both of them are created with the same email, so we can easily switch between them just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.